Morning, people. Hope you guys are keeping well. Just a quick update. Good news for iPhone users. When I say users, repair shop, whatever it is, basically. Um, Apple has announced self-service repair. So it's the right to repair what Lewis Rossmann's been sort of fighting along with the people that are involved, basically, in America. So I've just got an email from Repair Outlet in UK, just stating the fact that let me just see. Yeah, Apple announces self-service repair dash Apple. So I've opened up the link and there we are. Okay, I'll show you the link now. Let's move on to where is it now? There you go. That's on Apple's website. I'll leave the link on the description so you can sort of read it yourself. Apple announces self-service repair, Apple parts, tools and manuals, starting with iPhone 12 and 13 available to individual consumers. Woo! That's absolutely awesome. Okay. And then the rest as follows. Basically, Apple today announces a self-service repair, which will allow customers who are comfortable with completing their own repair accessing to Apple genuine parts and tools. And the whole thing just goes from there. As I said, I'll leave the link on the description so you can have a proper read. So that's under the newsroom. There we have it. So excellent work from Lewis Rossmann, because I'll be honest with you, without him putting all these forward, I just can't see that this would have happened in 100 years' time, basically. Absolutely not. So it's one man that matters, one person, one voice that can make a significant difference, and this is literally proven. So well done, Lewis Rossmann. Absolutely cracking. Have a great weekend. I'm going to wrap up now. So have a great weekend, everyone. Thumbs up for Lewis Rossmann. You know, absolutely amazing, basically, what's the outcome. Yeah, all the best. Take care, guys. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.